Afternoon, everyone. Just a quick update how things are looking for tonight and through to tomorrow. First, I got to say thanks to Lee Bruce for the background image, which is behind me, taken the Black Isle yesterday afternoon. The sun coming through the clouds there, so thanks for that. Live webcam I'm showing you just now is at Lochmorlich in the Cairngorms, where there's snow falling at the moment. There's been snow showers all day off and on in this part of the world, not really amounting to much. There's been a very slow thaw of the snow here with me. You can see down at Lochmorlich looking very wintry at the moment, with some guy there just enjoying a nice stroll on the snow-covered beach, looking quite nice. Well, the cold weather's continuing with us as we go into tonight and tomorrow. Surprise, surprise. Here's a maximum temperature map for today. As you can see, a number of places today have not risen above freezing all day. A few spots in the Cairngorms, down here, Strathnairn, down towards Lagan, you can see Pitlochry up below freezing all day. And quite a few spots, as you can see, down into the Central Belt, have seen temperatures really struggle today. There's been a number of places not rise above freezing, and pretty much the same down into northern England. As you can see, it's been a cold day UK-wide. And even here, look, down in Devon, Colne, parts of East Devon, Dartmoor, up onto Exmoor, some places today not reasonable freezing. So it's been a cold all day today, and temperatures for many places now hovering down near freezing inland. It's a bit milder towards the west coast, but generally speaking, we're in the cold air. We're all staying in the cold air now for a while. As you can see, those are the current temperatures. Many places inland below freezing. Some of these western coasts are a little bit warmer, as you can see, 6-7 degrees on Ardnamurchan and across some of the small isles, Skye, Tiree. But generally speaking, it's pretty chilly out there, and it's going to stay that way. We've got wintry showers feeding down from the north. You can see on the latest radar image, we've got these showers, which have been relentless showers across the Western Isles, Skye, the north and northwest Highlands today. Showers running down through Moray to the Cairngorms, and these heavy showers running down the North Sea, just catching the East Lothian and Borders Coast, one or two clipping Fife, as you can see. But these showers will continue through the evening and overnight. I think, if anything, later on, they will tend to get fewer and lighter. So I think we will start to see a lot of these die away. And certainly the ones across here, across the east, will start to fade away. Further south, as you can see, it's drier towards Mull, Lochaber, down to much of Perthshire, Argyll, down through Islay. The western central belt dry down across Argyll, Ayrshire, Dumfries and Galloway. It's been a dry day here with some sunshine, and it'll stay dry and clear tonight here, and with a widespread frost. Temperatures in some spots in this kind of area will be down to around -6 or -7. And I think as the showers die out further north as well, we'll start to see sort of clouds break up, giving a few clear spells. And as these clear spells develop further north with the wet ground, a high risk of icy patches developing. But before the showers do die away, I must add that there'll be further snow accumulation across higher ground, across Sutherland and Caithness. And some of these showers on the higher ground of Wester Oslo are turning wintry. But certainly the shower through Speyside, through Moray, Aberdeenshire and the Cairngorms will be falling as snow inland. Further slight accumulations of snow before they start to die out later. But like I said, the main thing tonight is the ice risk. Where the showers are falling, as you can see on the radar, a real high risk of icy patches overnight. So watch it on the roads tomorrow. Well, here's the situation with the jet stream at the moment. Very clear picture here. Just this shows very clearly what's happening with the jet stream. The darker the colours, the stronger the jet stream. As you can see, the jet stream is currently blasting through Europe, well to the south of the UK. Very typical of a cold setup. We've got a blocked area of high pressure sat across Scandinavia, stretching into Russia. This is forcing the jet stream south through Europe and keeping us on the cold side. Now, as you can see, as we run the sequence through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the jet stream stays to the south, just getting a bit closer in, as you can see, as we get into sort of Sunday into Monday. But certainly as we get into next week, we start to see signs of the jet stream just starting to get a bit closer. Look at the strength of the jet stream down here. Look, really strong, 180 mile an hour upper winds. And this jet stream, as you can see, is starting to align itself towards the UK. And so certainly by Thursday, if we get any further, Thursday about as far as we can get, the jet stream, as you can see, is buckling northwards again. Very strong jet stream, and that is heading towards the UK. So it does look like later next week we will start to see things turn more unsettled and milder from the southwest. Still a bit of uncertainty just how fast that happens. Some computer models are still quite keen to delay it and take the jet stream to the south of the UK. But the general consensus of opinion is the jet stream will be moving further north. You can see it's quite clear that it's starting to buckle north. And now the reason for that is we've got high pressure building down towards the Azores and off the west of Africa. You can see that by the rotation of the wind here, clockwise, indicating higher pressure building down here. And what that will do is it will force the jet stream further north and then push this milder, unsettled weather ever further northwards, eventually across the UK, I think, by the end of next week. So it's another week, really, another sort of 6 to 7 days of cold conditions with the jet streams you can see saying to the south and the general direction being this sort of this kind of direction with the colder air across Scandinavia feeding in across the UK. So it just keeps these cold conditions going. Now, as we go into tomorrow, this is the ECMWF predicted rainfall for tomorrow. You can see we've got, if anything, the showers dying away. This is a situation just now. We've got these showers running down on this northeasterly wind through Moray, Aberdeenshire into the Cairngorms. As you can see, these into the borders and these frequent ones across the northwest. As we get into tomorrow, you can see we lose that feed from the northeast. So we get quite a slight pressure setup across Scotland and the UK as a whole. Weak area of high pressure builds, and what that tends to do is it cuts off this flow, and we just end up with scattered showers around the coast. You can see we've got some running down the west coast, some across the north, one or two towards the east. But generally speaking, a more settled picture with higher pressure just starting to develop as we go through tomorrow night and into Saturday. You can see there's still one or two showers, particularly towards the west, across the Isles, running down into Islay, some running down into the western part of the central belt, Dunbartonshire, down into Ayrshire. But generally, it's a more settled pattern over the weekend, as you can see that Saturday. And then Sundays, you can see again, high pressure. Just some signs, though, low pressure just heading into Ireland and a strengthening southeasterly breeze look across the west. Isobars closer together. So that's, feeling quite cold, I suspect, across the west on Sunday with that southeasterly wind. But for many of us, it's going to be dry over the weekend. But we've still got the cold air in place. As you can see, that's Friday, that's Saturday, that's Sunday, that's Monday. As you can see, by Monday, that southeasterly just starts to push some of the colder air away. And then certainly by Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, look, you can see the greener colours coming in from the west, and that's a sign of much milder air. You can certainly see by next weekend, look, very much milder conditions indicated to spread across the UK on the ECMWF model. A long way off, as I say, this could be delayed, but the general opinion is cold through the weekend, hard frost overnight, and certainly cold into the start of next week. These are the overnight minimum temperatures. Look, you can see Friday night, got -8 there. It's Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It's cold. Then the colder nights tend to disappear next week. And then you see the frost becomes more patchy through the course of the week. And eventually by the end of next week, we're all into milder conditions. So that's a general pattern, really. Showers fewer tomorrow and over the weekend, mostly around the coast. But generally speaking, a lot of dry weather with hard frost overnight, bright days, some freezing fog patches kicking around inland, which will be slow to clear. But temperatures, generally speaking, continuing to be below average. There'll be hard frost overnight, quite severe in places. And then, like I said, during the day, bright and cold with one or two showers around the coast and icy patches. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying these videos. Thanks to everyone who's joined the members group today. I've signed a lot of new people up, so thanks for that. If you want to join, drop me a message through the Facebook page. We can get you signed up to the members group. Also, thanks to everyone who's subscribed to the new YouTube channel. It's completely free. All YouTube is really, it's like liking a page. You hit like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. You're just following my page on YouTube. And more likes and more subscriptions I get on YouTube means better news for me. It generally means that I can actually earn some funds from all the videos which I'm doing, which is great. More people who subscribe. So if you just go to the Facebook page, you'll see there's a link on there to YouTube where you can just click the link, get to the page, click like, click subscribe, and also just comment on the videos. If you can comment on the YouTube videos, that's great. More interaction from everyone, the better. There's a last look at the webcam at Lochmorlich. You can see it's looking very wintry. We've started to see some low-level freezing fog develop, and I think that will be a situation tonight as well for places that's got snow cover. We will see some low-level mist and fog developing overnight, which could be quite slow to clear through tomorrow. Okay, folks, well, that's just about it from me. There'll be another video tomorrow morning talking about how things are looking. But as I said, generally speaking, it's a very pretty locked in pattern, really. It's quite confident that we'll keep the cold weather going into next week with a change towards the end. But I'll update you tomorrow because things may be changing, maybe some more indications in the computer models. But on the whole, we've got a pretty clear picture of how things are going to stay for the next few days. All right, folks. Well, thanks for watching as ever. Enjoy your evening. Bye for now.